Hi, my name is Corbin Bunicki, and today I'm going to be sharing the difference in usability between Microsoft Excel and LibreOffice Calc. In the usability study I did, I compared the two software and found that they are pretty much the same. However, Microsoft Excel does have some premium feature that LibreOffice Calc does not. The first test I did was simply finding the download link for each software. This is something I feel like would be pretty common, just uh, download and then name of the software. So let's say download Microsoft Excel. Um, so let's see. So this is where I ran into my first problems. As you can see, you have to either sign in or sign up for free. Sign into my account. Now, this has already taken us a few clicks in, which I was surprised by. I thought there would be a pretty simple download link. However, it seems like I need to do more research. See how this is not very easy to find the download link for? Um, After some research, you'll find that it's actually, if you go to Microsoft 365, and then um, there's this little install and more, and then install 365 apps. And then this install Office link. So obviously this isn't a problem if you already have a Windows machine, and because Windows will have all of the Office software on there already. But I thought this was pretty like out of the way, and I had to go Google and find a forum to figure out how to do this. It wasn't immediately intuitive, which knocked a lot of points off Excel in the beginning of the usability study. In contrast, you can see if I say download Office Calc, you'll see the first result. And again, this is kind of what a user would expect. You can just hit download and it'll download. So, yeah. So that was kind of the first just design philosophy thing. And also, I wanted to point out for both of these, it's kind of slightly frustrating. You can't download just one tool, you have to download all of them. But I guess that's how the Office suites work anyway. But yeah, just an interesting usability difference here right off the bat. So, yeah, in conclusion, this task demonstrated both how Calc and Excel are good programs. And while it can be kind of, Microsoft can be kind of frustrating, the fact that it has built in Windows support gives it definitely a competitive advantage when used by the average person. It is definitely a more premium product and built in everywhere. But LibreOffice was, in my usability study, pretty much just as good, and it's completely free. So I hope the screencast helps you kind of pick between the two. Thank you.